We'll guide you through how to choose your ChatGPT payment method. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Sign into your account. If you haven't already, once you're logged in, look for your profile icon in the lower left corner and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear from there. Select account. In the account settings, you'll see different tabs on the left side. You will see payment. This is where you can manage how you pay for your ChatGPT subscriptions. You should see an option to manage or change payment method. Click on that and a new page will pop up where you can enter your payment details. You can choose from various options like credit card, debit card, or even PayPal, depending on what's available. Enter your payment information carefully. Double check everything to avoid any errors. Once you've filled in the details, click on save or update to confirm your choice. It's important to make sure that your payment method is up to date to avoid any interruptions in your service. After updating, you might want to look for a confirmation message saying your payment method has been successfully updated. And that's it. You've successfully chosen your payment method for ChatGPT. If you need to make changes in the future, you can always come back to this section and update your details. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.